Where'd you put it?
What?
Huh?
What?
Mm-hmm. You done picking your nose?
No.
You're not done?
No.
How much more do you have left?
Yeah.
Do you like picking your nose?
No.
Then why do you do it? Do you eat your boogers? Huh?
Hey. Boy.
Do you like picking your nose?
No.
Do you want to pick your nose? Pick your nose. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.